Hello and welcome to Restoration ERP. Today I will show you how to add equipment in your building. So let's start opening the building and selecting the equipment on the left side. Of course I don't have any added at the moment, so let's click on create and start by adding the name of the equipment. That's the equipment we are managing. We'll add the person that is responsible for it, the vendor, and some control here. The control is to specify or any control or inspection related to that equipment, related to maintenance, right? So let's add here, the control is safety inspection. We can add some notes about it. In that case, it was reported to making some noise on startup and where it is located. We can add some pictures as well. So let's start with the picture here. If I need more controls, more incidents, I can add a few, but in this case, I will add only this one. Let's click on submit, wait a few seconds, and there you have the information about the equipment and its controls. You can manage and modify at any time, and of course export if you need to.